Guys, this is the half bath. I went ahead and cleaned it, and I thought I would go ahead and show you what the finished results were, as well as where I got everything from. Me and my dad remodeled this bathroom about almost a year ago. I went ahead and got these satin nickel plates from Home Depot for the covers. As you can see, this hand towel is from online, the Christmas shop. It has a monogram of my initials, my last name, the letter. I got this satin chrome finish handle from Home Depot. The sink is pure white. This was also handmade, professionally made to fit in the space, along with the cabinet. The cabinet is about a mahogany wood color. The top of the sink is pure white, bright white, which I like. I really love this faucet. It's from Home Depot. Again, satin nickel. I love it. The water comes out like a waterfall. This mirror was also handmade. Again, mahogany wood. For the color, I really like the light finish. I thought it was really nice, as well as satin nickel. Got that from Home Depot as well. The toilet, Home Depot. The floor, Home Depot. It's kind of like a marble color, a marble finish. It's tile. I'll go ahead and link that as well. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it linked at the bottom. As well as the paint color is Sherman Williams. Again, I do not remember, but I will go ahead and link it below. This was a birthday gift from a friend. She made it at the time when I was remodeling the bathroom. I really like it. The finished color is nice, a nice pop. Really looks good in here. I like it too because you can change out the flowers whenever you want to get a new look in here. The toilet paper holds, also satin nickel, and that is from Home Depot. You see I have a pink trash can there. I haven't found one in here I really like yet, but then again, I haven't really been looking. But yeah, you guys, this is the half bath that I went ahead and remodeled with my dad. Again, thank you for watching this clean with me, as well as a quick tour of the half bath. And I will talk to you guys later, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.